Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can create a page border in Microsoft Word. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So we need to open first Microsoft Word. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on it under the best match. Now click on the blank document. So in this blank page, we're going to add a border in it. Now, how can we do that? At the ribbon, you will find all these tabs. Now, simply click on the Design tab. And here you will find Page Borders. Click on that. Now, here you can simply choose if you want the box, shadow, 3D, or custom. Now, let's go with the box. And the style, you can simply choose from here. Now, let's choose this one. And then for the color, click on this drop down arrow and you can simply choose your color from here. For the width or the thickness, you can simply choose from here, but it depends on the border style, because there are border style like this which doesn't have the width options or any other width options. Now once done, you can also have the art from here. It's up to you. Now let's just go with this, and you have the preview in here. So if you want to have a border only for the right side and left side, you can click at the top and at the bottom, and this is how it looks like. But if you want to put everything or all the sides with border, top, bottom, right, and left side, just simply click on it again and click on OK. And that's it. And whenever you want to insert a blank page, insert blank page, it will also have a border. Okay, now go back to the design, click on page borders. You can also try this art. You can choose from here. It's up to you. So let's have this. And you just need to click on OK. And that's it. Go back to page borders. You can also go with this one, shadow. And then click on OK. So as you can see, there's a shadow. So you just have to explore from here for the preference or for your preference, what kind of style, the design, and the color and the width. And if you want to have an art, you just can simply choose from here. So that's it. That's how you can easily add or create a border in Microsoft Word. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.